All right, quick one, Collin. It's gonna be a quick one. You ready? Check it out. Tortillas, right? I brushed them with butter and I broiled them really quick so they can be nice and toasty like this, nice and crispy. Okay. This rice is fried rice, but I fried some bacon in there, some serrano pepper is in here, and some green scallion is in here too. So this is gonna be the first thing. You see that bacon in there? Look at that. See that bacon? Oh my gosh. And it's a little bit spicy too. Not too much heat, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Check it out. A little bit of chicken on there. Just a little bit of chicken. But a lot of house music, just a little bit of chicken though. Just a little bit of avocado. All right, ready? Check it out. Homemade barbecue sauce by Christian Kill. Christian Kill made this sauce. Damn, bro. Dude, that's... Come on now. What's that look like? That looks bomb, boy. What are you talking about? That's... Come on now. Hey, let's try one. Just one. I think it's only fair, right? Oh my goodness. Damn, bro.